Hello, welcome to ASC 2870 Safety Management Systems. My name is Dr. Aaron Judy, and I will be your professor for this course in the fall 2018 term. This is a 16-week all-online course, so everything will be presented in the online environment. The course is pretty straightforward as you work through the modules and complete the assignments. Then the next module will open. Please do not work ahead and stay with the class, so we need to stay with each other as we work through the assignments and through each of the lectures. During the weeks, you'll find some reading assignments, some online forum discussions, and then typically some type of individual assignment that you'll need to turn in by Sundays at 11:59 p.m. So all your assignments will be due by Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Sometimes you'll see lectures, and sometimes it will specifically just be you and up to you to read the material. And then I'll provide a synopsis or a summary of what we covered in the readings that week online sometime later in the week. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. All of my contact information is in Canvas, and be sure that you read over the syllabus and understand the course requirements. Again, I welcome you to the fall 2018 term here at Polk State College of Aerospace, and I'm looking forward to working with you and encourage you to reach out to me with any questions you may have. And I'm excited that you're in the course, and let's do this together, and before you know it, it will be over, and Christmas break will be here before we turn around. So thank you for your time, and good luck.